The internet has many dangers. One of the main problems that cybersecurity experts have faced in recent years has been the proliferation of increasingly sophisticated and malicious forms of malware or computer viruses. A new threat that has gained popularity and whose consequences can be really negative is phishing. A cybercrime that pretends to use its confidential information, such as bank account numbers, cards, and passwords, with the intention of using them to commit some kind of fraud. The most common forms of threat are via email, text messages, or even a telephone call. In most cases, it is asked to confirm certain confidential information, and it is reported that our account will be blocked if the required action is not performed. Although the consequences of phishing cannot be eliminated, they can be detected. Monitor your website and be aware of what should and should not be there. If possible, change the main files on your website periodically. The basic thing to protect yourself against this type of threats is to have a good antivirus update. This will in most cases prevent spam from reaching your main inbox. You can also consider some tips, such as always verifying who the sender is before opening any mail that looks suspicious to you. So don't answer any questionnaire that requests confidential information via email. Do not enter the website of your bank from an email, and last, remember that it is not common to request your data or confidential information through email.